Maimun. Can you tell me all together?
Oh, Istana Maimun is a famous place here. Do you know where are you right now?
I think this is Jalan Pemuda. Near Merdeka Walk.
Perfect. From in Merdeka Walk is not too far. Are you going by foot or by ojek?
I prefer walking. If it is close. How long will it take?
If you walk, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, could you please give me the direction step by step?
Sure. First go straight on Jalan Pemuda until you reach traffic light.
Got it. The traffic light. Where shall I go?
Turn right at the traffic light. Then go straight right.
I hear any landmark. I shall look for.
Yes, you will see Mas Raya Al Mashhur on your right side.
The aftermath. Am I close ready?
Exactly. The place is just 200 meters aftermost. On your left, you can visit.
Thank you so much for explaining in detail. You are helpful.
Yes, you are welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
Visit Istana Maimun.